Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Flex Duct Cutting Tool from the guys and gals over at Midwest Snips. This is part number MWT FDT01. Sells for around 72 bucks online. It's a really great tool. It's got a serrated edge, 5-inch long blade. One side serrated, one side is straight. And then when you open it up, there's a wire cutter for cutting the duct work. This is a fantastic tool. So we're going to go ahead and cut some flex duct. Now, watch how it just cuts through like butter. Doing a great job, doing everything that I would want, cutting right through. We're going to go ahead and spin this guy around a little bit. You can see it now. Back in the day, we would sometimes use a steak knife or an X-Acto knife, and then I would get down to the end, and then I'd have that wire that's left on the inside of the flex, and sometimes I'd use lineman pliers or diagonals or side cutters, so I'd have to carry a couple of tools. Well, I don't have to carry a couple of tools anymore. Now this is just a replacement for one tool. I'm completely free now. Let's go ahead and cut that wire. We're going to open it up. You can see it right there. You ready? And she's done. Got it done. This is an awesome tool. Look at it, nice and clean. Look at the ductwork is clean. Look at a clean cut. And we're ready to go. Peel this back and attach it to a side boot or a T-bar grill, and you're ready to go. But check it out. 100% American made by Midwest Snips. You can find them online at midwestsnips.com. It sells for around 72 bucks. And so, like I said, this knife can be sharpened because it is stainless steel. It's 5 inches long, serrated edge, straight edge. And then again, it's got this wire cutter on the inside. So this is an awesome tool. It replaces two tools and where you only end up having to carry one. Like I said, sells for around 72 bucks. This is an awesome knife, and I think you're going to love it. So you definitely want to check them out at midwestsnips.com. As always, work safe, be good humans, and we'll see you next time.